In this video, I'm going to show you how you can register your screenplay with the WGA. So the first thing you want to do is to go to wgawregistry.org. Then you want to go to register. And here you see you can register your scripts, your treatment, interactive media, written ideas, music, and lyrics, and etc. So you're going to click register here to register your script, your screenplay, and then there's a little bit of information here telling you that you need to fill out all the section that has an asterisk. It's compulsory. So here for material type, when you're registering your screenplay, you need to take a look at the list and then go to screenplay, and then for here the option will be screen, and then you put in the title of your screenplay, and then here you'll need some form of ID. It can be your social security, driver's license, your WG account, or other another ID that you have, and then you put in your name, and your address, and then you can put in your phone number, but that's optional, and then you put in your email address, and then there's this option that says registrant is the author. So if you're the one registering and you're the author, this should stay selected, and if you're the only author, then this stays as is. But if there's more authors, then you click add author, and then you're gonna click continue. Now here it's gonna ask you to review all the information to make sure that it's correct, and then the cost is $20, which is really reasonable, I would say. And you put in your credit card information in here, and then you upload your file, your screenplay file, preferably like I would do it like in a PDF format, and then once you're done, then you click register this item, and then you're gonna receive an email from the WGA, and they're gonna provide you your certificate, which you can download and print out right away. So that's the cool thing about it. You don't have to wait. You get to download your certificate right away. One thing to note is important to register your script with the Copyright Office as well, the US Copyright Office, not just the WGA. Although the WGA provides some protection, it doesn't provide all the protection that you need in case there's a copyright infringement. So to get the maximum protection, you need to register your script with the US Copyright Office, and you can see how to do that with the video that's at the end here. So after you registered with the WGA, please ensure to register with the Copyright Office as well, just to make sure that you're fully protected. This is by no means any legal advice. If you need any legal advice, please contact an attorney. But from my knowledge, I've contacted 2 separate attorneys, which had told me that the WGA doesn't provide enough protection. You need it. It's a must-have to copyright your work with the US Copyright Office. So please watch that video on how to do it.